24 hours. We're going to jump on a tractor to take us up there, I guess. Okay, which way do we go first? No cars, no vehicles are allowed on Sark other than tractors, hence the roads are like this. Things to do on Sark. Oh, go geocaching. Even got a post office and the general stores. I think so. We've just explored some of the art.
Shut up in your face.
Bird bombed. Okay, so we've just explored some of the island by horse and cart. A very slow and relaxing way of doing that. But now we're back on foot. And we're going to explore some of the island in our own way.
And already it feels good.
Yeah, sun is shining as well.
Perfect.
No cars. If you want to get around the island, there's only 3 ways of doing it. Walk, tractor, or bike. Horse and car makes 4. But strictly speaking,
Before we go to
3. We're heading out here first to find our first geocache on the island. It's a good handful of caches on Sark, and obviously, as you saw earlier, they openly advertise that you can geocache on Sark. That's good. And our first geocache find on Sark is right here, and it's hidden right there. There's sheep on them there hills. They don't fall off. Boat coming in, bringing in some more tourists. Let's go to Sarkenge. I think I can see Sarkenge. Rush hour. So we've checked into our hotel, freshened up. It's now about 5:30 and we've come back out to do a little bit more exploring, and we're going to whatever that says at the bottom of the screen. So we're going to see a bit more of the island, because we actually leave tomorrow morning anyway, don't we? So 24 hours, so we've got to get in a bit more exploring that way. It's 5:45 in the evening and there's nobody around. The odd cyclist from time to time. Other than that, nobody. All the roads around here, if you call them roads, are really well signposted. So it helps to know where you need to go. That way! To the sea. I think it can get quite windy here. Those trees have been shaped due to the weather. Over there is Herm, and beyond that is Guernsey. Window in the Rock. That's our final destination this evening. Five to 9 in the evening. Time to go back to our accommodation. Get a good night's sleep. And we're going back to Guernsey tomorrow.